Yo, what we saying, boys? What's everyone saying? Euro and pound bank holiday. It's everyone's bank holiday, bro. Not just euro and the pound. It's the day that Jesus died on the cross, mate. So think yourself lucky, lad. Could be you right now. I mean, not glad it ain't, but you know what I mean. Could have been. So big up to Jesus. Shout him for coming back alive. Pretty crazy thing to do, not gonna lie. I've never really seen someone do something like that, but I mean, yeah, he came back alive. And today is, well, a few days before he done that, but he did die, so let's bear that in mind. Yeah, happy Easter, boys. I don't think it's actually Easter today, but no, so yes, what you saying, CT? What you saying, Firefox Tony? Okay. Oh, brother, this guy stinks. Oh my days, how many places do I have this stream on? I had it on my fucking laptop, my phone, my monitor. Happy Easter weekend, appreciate that, bro. Morning, everyone. Bro, I did not know Man United came back from that last night. Not gonna lie, that is fucking tapped. Fuck is this? Didn't think we'd be on today, Lou. Nah, we've got to be on today, man. Got to. Bruno was on smoke. Oh, bro, all I saw was them 4-2 down. I assume they just lost. Hey, mate, what do you think about USD JPY today? Let's have a look at you, Jay. Just like every pair, bro. It's not really going to move the most, to be fair. If anything, I'd be bearish. But the CRT of that candle there. So it should come into the low realistically. So that's really what I'll be looking for. Obviously we did have a nice internal and external reaction off. I don't really know what we reacted off of specifically. Seems to be this unmitigated wick, but some type of order block from these candles here. Obviously before the big drop. Used that as inducement, so took out some liquidity there, tapped into our internal. So we should rally down and take our external out. So really I'll be looking at sells. If you look at the Asia session, we are about to take out the high, which is nice. So yeah, what I'd really be looking for is price to come into this order block here. And then move down. If you look at this order block itself, it did do a few things. It took the liquidity above the New York session. So it took a decent amount of liquidity out. It also tapped into this order block itself. So there's a few things that it's actually completed and actually done. So what's the difference between it being a bank holiday today? Well, mainly just the fact that volume's going to be a lot lower. A lot of people aren't at work today. That's pretty much the long and short of it. Mainly the banks, but obviously other people as well. So the world in general is going to be moving slower, bro. Had to scrape a win against Leon, but A comfy win for us now at the Burnabout. Trust me. Trust me, Adrian. Mate, we're levels. I think we're signing Isak as well. What do you think about the bank holiday for Euro and the pound? What do you mean, what do I think about the bank holiday, bro? Like, too sure what you mean by price action is terrible and just not good. Yeah, that's true. Asia session didn't go nowhere. Who said that? I'ma find him. Yeah, if I missed any comments, boys, on TikTok, just comment them again. Fucking hell, we've got 100 man in there. Didn't even notice. But yeah, mate, the Asia session was literally like, look at this. I thought this was bugging. It took me so long to realise that this was actually real. Like, bro, this is insane. Look at that. That looks like an afro comb, bro. That's what it looks like. That literally looks like an afro comb. And now you're meant to tell me that that is 4 hours of price action. Harry Maguire. Yeah, Maguire. I just saw his big head on the fucking like poster thing when they won. But mate, I thought that I was out last night and there was 4-2 down, so I just assumed they got popped. Thought, hey, United are terrible. And then, yeah, literally just before I jumped on live, but as I was going on YouTube to share the link, I just saw like a thumbnail 5-4. I thought, what? I'm sure I checked it in like the 110th minute and it was 4-2 down. I must have scored 3 goals in 10 minutes. GU spread to him 30. Jesus, they actually. Wait, surely you're lying. What the hell are these wicks? Yeah, trust me. We're seeing the cock and ball strat though still. So if what you want to do in these markets is you want to circle the wicks, so you get that nice stripy texture, and you just draw on the chode like that. And again, curve off them wicks at the bottom there. And then that's really how you need to trade this market. W price action. In all seriousness though, we are sort of moving up right now, but I think we want to come lower. All the POIs, like my POI personally for the New York session yesterday, if you look, we tapped into this order block, which is, well, first of all, boys, actually, let's go back to the sell we had. So remember that sell we had on live, which was there, which TP'd beautifully. The main thing is, remember that we're saying, took out the high, but we only wanted to sell down to this fair value gap, because we know overall the fair value gap's going to push it higher. That was what I was mainly happy with, because fuck me, did that happen to the absolute T. We tapped into it, filled our fair value gap, closed out of our trade, and then just as we wanted, rallied all the way up from there, up towards our, obviously, higher time frame, higher that we wanted it to hit. But I was double happy with how we did off that. It was a 30-minute level. If you remember that trade from the live, it was only yesterday, so if you don't remember it, you fucking probably should check yourself for Alzheimer's. But yeah, so that was our most recent real mitigation of a fair value gap. Then we had a nice move up. After the move up, we came down and mitigated an order block, and then yet again rallied up. So the part here that mitigated this order block, that's what I'm going to be interested in actually trading. So if we look at it, let's draw it out bit by bit. So you've got the order block here, and then we've got this order block there. Like that. And then same for Euro USD, we still got to fall for the level that we want. We still have to fall. We still have to fall about 16, 17 pips. GU needs to fall, looks like a lot more. Not that much more, 25. And obviously the DXY is not going to move today. So, oh mate, look at that. I tell you what, boys, if you was on this live yesterday, fucking hell, we absolutely crushed it yesterday. We absolutely smoked it, put everything in a spliff yesterday. Everything in a spliff. Look at that. Boys, come on now, look at that. We had the CRT, as we said. As I said, on the 8 hour. took out this candle's high, so we should trade down into this candle's low. Then obviously at the time, we saw obviously we've got the daily to open there, and we've got this order block there. So we just wanted price to come into our order block and then sell off. So that was a 10 to 1. 4 pip stop loss, 40 pip TP on the dot. Obviously aiming for that TP low. And we missed out our entry by fucking, how much? 1 pip. 1.4 pips away from a 10 to 1. Oof. Oof. It's peak, I'm not gonna lie, it is fucking peak, but it is what it is. Would have been efficient as well, man. Would have literally tapped in and got 10R within. Okay, 7 hours, not the biggest quick, but. Bro, on FTMO, the spreads on G were jumping between 6 and 40. Jesus Christ, that's insane. Guys, why is Nasdaq stopped? Bro, stop spamming it, man. Actually, to be fair, you can spam it if you want. Do you mark out the order block from the wicks of the body? Yeah. Depends. Depends, mate. Normally just the body. What pair, if you had to pick one, would you recommend a beginner to trade during London session? Euro USD, bro. Euro USD. Pick between EU or GU. Price will be slow, yeah, it will. It will, bro. Check GJ. That's why you don't go to Mopal. Nah, to be fair, it's just what it is with the spreads right now. Not let the news sway you, it's all manipulation. I mean, yeah, it's not even overly manipulation, boys. It's mainly just a bank holiday, to be fair. That's all it really is, if I'm honest. There's not an over amount of manipulation at play. I mean, we know the Asia session accumulates, but that is taking the piss a bit. Do you trade Euro USD? Yeah, I do, bro. It stopped because it closed down, did you know? Yeah, did you not know they shut down Nasdaq because people was making too much money trading it? So yeah, they've had to stop it, bro. So you're gonna have to find something else to trade. 5 peak in it, but peak. No clue myself. What do you mean, bro? Why spread so big? 'Cause it's a bank holiday, bro. Can't believe they closed it down. Trust me, you're gonna have to trade eggs. Why the spread so big? Yeah, because of bank holiday. Did you trade Euro USD today? I'm on a long right now. No, this is Euro USD right now. I've got the same directional bias as you. I do think we'll come higher, but I think we need to come down lower, tap into our POI first. Still got that 8-hour CRT I was talking about yesterday. It still is looking nice. Like, this area of price, is obviously the distribution that we're looking to get manipulated. So we've taken out the low. I'll show you the 8-hour. Obviously doesn't look the cleanest, but it does actually look nice. If you look at the candle, this is a big, so it's obviously this candle here, this is a big candle. Got a high, got the low. So we swept the low of it, close back within. As soon as we do that, we're looking for price to rally up to the top. Right, so all we're looking for now is price to buy and rally up, as we was yesterday, really. So same thing was looking at yesterday. Obviously, with chess, always one step ahead. We knew it was going to happen before it happened, but let me not talk about that. No, in all seriousness as well, we do want it to come down to a POI. So as much as we have taken out the Asia low here, and it does look like we're ready to go, I can't see anything we've actually reacted off of that's going to be the catalyst for that. And I don't think there was enough liquidity in the Asia session to actually fucking take it out. Do a recap of your recent trade. I'll do it in a bit, bro. Today's bank holiday, correct. I remember you predicting Wednesday that Thursday was going to be a good day to trade. How did you know it was going to be a good day? Just how price action sets up, bro. What you really want a nice CRT to be confirmed, innit? That's the main thing that price can leave you with. If it leaves you with a nice CRT or an Asia or a New York session to react off, So like you want to see, say New York had a big move like that, yeah, and it's got a blatant order block. It's got a clear order block left. These are your good days to trade. When the market closing like this, and then Asia session sort of like that, that's how you know it's going to be a good day to trade for a London trader. Because all we need, if it's clear and if it's obvious, right? Say the Asia session, the New York session starts there and ends there, let's say, right? So the whole time it was that clear distribution we can see, and we've got a clear order block there. That's ideal. So then we want obviously London session to manipulate and then start moving in the opposite direction. So that's one thing. So when we open like that and when price ends for the day like that. And then the other one is when we have CRT. So let's say the prior day was like something like this, was a candle like this. We want the next day to rally above it, but then reject it, so then close back below. And what that looks like, what this candle looks like, let me actually draw it out, is this. Alright. Let me draw that wick again, that's an anemic wick. Right, but that's what it looks like. So this is the other day. So then basically when the day starts and the day opens, this is our third day. You want price to go from here where it opens and then rally down and take the low. Right, so it goes from taking out the high. As soon as we take out the high, then close back within the range. That's how we know this candle is then going to rally to the low. But the key thing here is we take out the candle high and then close back within the range. So they're the two times that sort of the market is setting up nicely for me the day before. But yeah, I do think we're going to come and grab this again. So I'll be hesitant jumping in buys, that's for sure. Appreciate the gifts, boys. What pair are you analysing? This is Euro USD, bro. It says down the bottom there. If I missed any comments, boys, just put them in again. I'm not ignoring anyone. Double tap the screen as well. Let's get 5k likes in there real quick. What we looking at, EU and GU today? Yeah, bro. EU, GU. CRT, exactly that. What are you saying, Sodra? Time frame is 15 minutes. We're on the 15 right now. This green box you see is the Asia session. Do we trade London Good Friday? I'll be real, the spreads are going to be tapped. You can try. Definitely not an ideal day. You can definitely try though. You're on crypto, dude. Nah, bro, I trade for currencies. How much are your one-to-one calls, bro? Send me a DM, bro. J Sim, send me a DM on Insta. Or Discord if you got me on Discord, but Insta's probably easier. Sweet, bro. I'll fucking get back to you after this live. Harley backup joined. Apparently you've got some type of trophy next to your name, so that means you're active and I should say hello to you. Gold bearish, let's have a look, bro. Let's have a look. By the way, boys, I'm live on YouTube as well. If you want to see the full screen and my face. Let's have a look at gold though. Let's get rid of this. I wouldn't say gold's bearish, I'd just say we're waiting to be bullish. Gold's not going to be bearish for the foreseeable future. For the very foreseeable future. Think it'll be a watch and learn day for me today. Fair play. Don't blame you. Can see you dropping into that zone, but I'm not sure if it'll hold as good due to the volume. Yeah, nah, for real. Do you trade the power of 3 4-hour handle? Yeah, bro. Well, sort of probably different to way you'd call it, but yeah, that line of thinking we do align ourselves with as well. And the CRT, this candelier, just can't see anything we've actually reacted off of. Bitcoin, I don't really trade Bitcoin. Are you trading today? Only if there's an unreal position. Random question, where you from? What you saying, Harley? Oh, here he is. What's your account? Do you just gift a lot of people, do you? Can you explain your indicator? Does price reversed after 50%? What do you 50% of what, bro? On the indicator? I'm a bit confused what you mean, Dave. I need a trading one. Yeah, man, today it's the best live about, man. I'll be honest, you won't want anywhere else. It's a bank holiday, so it's kind of hard to trade today, but... Are you wanting EU to go lower? Yeah, bro, that's what I'm waiting for. Do you use divergence? Yeah, sometimes. Prop firms or live account boss? Prop firms, bro. If anyone does want to get funded with a prop firm, you should go with Alpha Capital Group. I've got a code with them. So use code RICHES at checkout and you get yourself a nice discount. They've actually got a banging sale on today. I'm pretty sure they've got like 30% off today, which is sick. So, do you trade futures? We do look at them, but I only really trade Forex, to be honest. Currencies, we stick to our majors. The euro, the pound, and the dollar. Doing the Kahoot today, bro. Yeah, boys, we are doing a Kahoot giveaway. So, we are giving away a 50k funded account in our Discord. So make sure you go over to our Discord, and on every Friday this is at 12:30, 1 o'clock. We'll call it 1 o'clock. We jump on the stream. We do a Kahoot quiz. I'm sure you man know what Kahoot is. We do a Kahoot quiz, and the winner of the quiz wins a 50k funded account with ACG. So everyone, make sure you're in the Discord. It'll be stupid to not even enter. You know what I mean? It's an absolute no-brainer, boys. That you get in there. So make sure you're in there, boys. 1 PM. What I'll do, you'll see in the chat, just be in the free chat. I'll send an announcement out. And I'll be live in the Discord, innit? So you got to get in the Discord. I'll be streaming in the Discord. You trade bank holiday? Not really, mate. Huge moves or any volatility? Yeah, there's not really going to be huge moves today. I didn't even know the markets were open today. Yeah, bro, it's just $1 that's obviously not going to be, and obviously like the stock market and stuff. Not relying on him, bro. I'm just... yeah. Omar, I'm just waiting, bro. I won't be looking to do anything. I think another sweep is gonna come. It's just how quick we do that. But yeah, I do believe it is gonna happen. So, in terms of an actual position, I mean, it's very unlikely it happens today because, like, there's just nothing. But don't know why it says euro. It doesn't. Don't know why it doesn't say dollar bank holiday as well. It clearly is. Is German 30 closed? Yeah, they closed it forever. German 30's never coming back. Yes! Yes! German 30 died. Yes! 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 No, they're all just it was all just a bank holiday, bro. because I forgot to close my German 30 cells. Oh, is that why they closed it? That's peak, bro. When it reopens on Monday, Tuesday, your spreads are going to be fucked. Absolutely fucked. Yeah, it is a US Day bank holiday. Boys, everyone's saying, oh, is it USA as well? Bro, Jesus literally fucking died today, so yeah. It's not some bullshit little holiday. Any Christian country. Oh, you're a SoundCloud rapper, yeah. Retired though. They weren't really ready for my sound. I was too dynamic, I'd say, is the word I'd use. Why is markets even open today? Boys, what are we not getting? What are we not getting in our head? I'm from Nigerian. That is fucking sick. I'm from English. Looks like you're working on a song. Oh yeah, to be fair, fuck me. I said it looked like an afro comb, but yeah, it does look like a little SoundCloud thing here, especially. Fuck me. Don't know if that's what you meant, but what money? What money? Fuck me. Is everyone who's joined the live just suddenly got fucking 2 IQ? Like, bro. Which pair is this? This is GU, bro. It says down there. GU and EU we're mainly looking at right now. Those candles are crazy, yeah, for real. Kitchen ain't this way, love. Fucking hell. Who did you even say that? Oh. Now, to be fair, she's number 3 viewer, bro. That means she's been watching, I'm pretty sure, for the 3rd longest. So she's locked in, I can't lie. Your GU looks bare different to the under charts. Your dad's making me some food. There's a holiday. There is holiday today. Fucking hell. Yeah, I'm going on holiday today. I'm going Marbella. So that's why the DXY is frozen. No, boys, it is a bank holiday today. Bank holiday. And we'll have the same, obviously, on Monday as well. Because that's when Jesus actually came back to life. I'm in neutrals. What do you mean, Vexed? Akinator. Why are you trading this shit, PA? Why are you trading this shit, PA? Why not? Where's the part you say click my link to drum online course? When's the part where you click my helmet? Can we click my helmet, suck my helmet? Can we skip to that bit, or I've got to sell the course first? Go back to eating. Oh, for some reason I read that as go back to eating drill bits. Go back to eating berries and hilib. That is some fucking Somali shit, innit? Oh yeah, no it was. I thought you was Somali, Skull. Pair, this is EU, bro. Oh nah. You already said it for real. After you say your part, of course. Yo guys, so make sure you click the link in my bio and get into the Discord for the fucking community, boys. Yeah, bang on. Oh my god, bruv, no way. Fuck's sake, I got banned. To be fair, probably deserved. Fuck's sake, that was the first thing I've actually said. I don't know why I said that, to be fair. She was just being bare rude, bro. What did you fucking expect, stupid little slag? Stupid fucking slag, mate. Bro, what did you expect? Trying to mock me so I can't mock her back? I think it was that. Hate speech. That's bare annoying. To be fair, my main account's back now anyway. Let me do a video quickly. It's better if my charts are in the background. Probably not. Looks a bit shit really, doesn't it? I'll do it like this. But I feel like I need the chart in there so people actually know what I'm on. Okay. That's embarrassing. Yes, people. Okay, no. Yes, everyone. I've just been banned on this account, but I'm unbanned on my main account, so I'm gonna drop it down below. Everyone, follow that main account. I'll be there. Oh, fuck you. Yes, people. I've just been banned on here, but my second account is unbanned, so I'll drop it down below. And everyone, drop that a follow. That's where I'll be live on Monday, trading the London session and the New York session. Everyone, drop it a follow, boys. Does that do? Second account is unbanned, so I'll drop it down below, and everyone drop that a follow. That's where I'll be live on Monday, trading the London session and the New York session. Everyone drop it a follow, boys. Yes, people, I've just been banned on here, but my second account is unbanned, so I'll drop it. Sweet. I'll do one like this. It's hard to fucking get a good angle with this shit without making yourself look like a fucking idiot. It's bare hard. You would not believe how hard this is to do. Yes, people, I've just been banned on here, but my main account is unbanned, so I'll drop it in the description. Everyone, in the description, it's a fucking caption. Yes, everyone, I've just been banned on here, but I'll drop my... Fuck you. Yes, everyone, I've just been banned on here, but I'm unbanned on my main account, so I'll drop it in the caption, not description. Fuck me. Yes, everyone, I've just... Fuck! 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 Yes, everyone, I've just been banned on here, but I'm unbanned on my main account, so I'll put my... Fuck! Holy shit. Alright, just don't think about it. Just don't think about it. Yes, people, I've just been banned on here, but I'm unbanned on my main account, so I'm going to drop the @ in the Fuck! You, bro. Caption, not fucking description. Holy shit. Yes, people. Fuck. Yes, people. I've just been banned on here, but I'm unbanned now on my main account. So I'm going to drop it in the caption. Everyone make sure you follow that as that... Fuck. Fuck. I'm just going to do it anyway. As that is where I'm going to be live on Monday, trading the London session and New York session and all throughout the week, boys. Sweet. Is that going to do better than the actual one where I do it right? Now on my main account, so I'm gonna drop it in the caption. Everyone make sure you follow that as that fuck I'm just gonna do it anyway, as that is where I'm gonna be live on Monday, trading the London session and New York session and all throughout the week, boys. Sweet. Yes, people, I've just been banned on here, but I'm unbanned now on my main account, so I'm gonna drop it in the caption. Everyone make sure you follow that as that fuck I'm just gonna do it anyway, as that is where I'm gonna be live on Monday, trading the London session and New York session and all throughout the week, boys. Sweet. Yes, people, I've just been banned on here, but I'm unbanned now on my main account, so I'm going to drop it in the caption. Everyone make sure you follow that. Fuck. You wouldn't understand how annoying it is trying to do that, innit? You don't even understand how hard that is. Fuck me. Right, now it's time to add the most popular sound ever so that everyone sees it. Nah, this is too funny. Oh, you're killing me, bro. Slow down, bro. It's so hard. Take a breath, son. Action cut. Yeah, bro, mate, that stuff actually does your nutting. It's so hard to do. Let me add this sound. Yes, people, I've just been banned on here, but I'm unbanned now on my main. Yes, people, I've just been banned. Yes, people, I've just been banned. Yes, people, I've just been banned. Yes, people, I've just been banned on here. Yes, people. Yes, people, I've just been banned on here, but I'm unbanned now on my main account. Yes, people, I've just been banned on here, but I'm unbanned now on my main account. So we're dropping the caption. Everyone make sure you follow that as that way. Fuck! Fuck! I'm just going to do it anyway. As that is where I'm going to be live on Monday, trading the London session and New York session and all throughout the week, boys. Sweet. Yes, people, I've just been banned on here, but Alright, that'll do. YouTube is better than TikTok anyway. Yeah, trust me. It's just worse for the views. Fucking hell, man. It's kind of annoying though. Look, you gotta keep that. That is a classic video now. Yeah, I'm not. I'll have to find that in the stream. That probably was quite funny to watch. Yeah, keep it as that, mate. That sounds sweet. Sweet. You're killing me. This guy in the Discord. Oh, mate. Wait, you got banned for saying join my channel? Bro, I got banned for saying suck my helmet or something. Fuck me, that was funny though. Yo, will you be getting in this EU trade? Market looks choppy. No, probably not, bro. I mean, if we hit this level before 10 a.m., then I'll think about it. But we're gonna have to wait and see till then. Do you not think? What do you mean, Sam? Yeah, if you screen recorded that, drop it in the Discord. Fuck it, that'll do. What's the second account called? That'll do. That'll do, Steez. Boom. That will do though, calm. Sweet, that'll do. Fuck it, right. Yes, people, I've just been banned on here, but I'm unbanned now on my main account, so I'm gonna drop it in the caption. Everyone make sure you follow that as that way. Fuck! Fuck! I'm just gonna do it anyway. As that is where I'm gonna be live on Monday, trading the London session and New York session and all throughout the week, boys. Sweet. Alright, cool. Everyone go show some love to that behind the scenes. Come on. Lou, did you guys take the Daily Bias video off? No. No. No, no, no. There it is. Look at my hair there. But yeah, there it is, boys. What is this? This shouldn't have gone up as an actual upload. What the fuck's this? Also great the way the captions are directly in the middle. This is not meant to be out. It shouldn't have been out. Don't know how that got out. Was that? Fuck knows. But yeah, it is out. By the way, the reason I'm not really looking at the charts that much is just because price action's just, you boys know anyway, innit? It's just a bit shit right now. Yes, people, I've just been banned on here, but I'm unbanned now on my main account, so I'm gonna drop it in the caption. Everyone make sure you follow that, as that would... Fuck! I'm just gonna do it anyway, as that is where I'm gonna be live. Sweet, now I've got to send this around to everyone. Dorian. Yeah, boys, if anyone's actually looking at any charts, so anyone's got any questions on the charts, let me know. Who's Jordan again? Who's Jordan again? Oh shit, you can do that, bruv. Oh. I can't find it. Boom. Well, Elijah liked my video. Cheers, Elijah. It's got 1 like now. Sweet. Everyone like that. Everyone go like that up so everyone knows where I am at. Put it in the socials. New Apple update's fucking toss as well. Sorry to say it, but it is. So the guy named Ever Tolson or Sigma Wolf 6969 in my Discord, fuck you. No, that doesn't deserve a sugarcoating at all. Doesn't deserve a sugarcoating at all. That guy literally needs to go fuck himself. Whenever you type at everyone and click enter, it ats him. It's so fucking annoying. Because he's got the most retarded name, Ever Tolson. They're annoying, bruv. Everyone get at this TikTok though. Yes, people. Get this TikTok to like a cool 2 mil likes. I think it's got the potential. To be fair, there's like 12 men on here. Is people actually fucking with this, or should I just jump off? To be fair, boys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump off, because I mean, the market's not moving right now, right? And I don't want to waste your time. To be fair, what we said on GU is nice. We said GU not ready to just run off. We did say we are going to take out the low, which we did. So really what we wanted to happen is happening. And I still do think we are going to see that. Overall, we come into that and go higher. Same with EU. We come into it and go higher as we go down. But it just probably won't be before the kill zone. We've got 40 minutes left. So you never know. I'll keep you boys updated. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a banger quiz so we can do the giveaway on Discord and have a good little quiz later. And there's only about 10-20 people in here, so big up to you, man. But I'm gonna jump off now, get this quiz made, and yeah, hopefully we can hopefully you man can split another prop fam, because 50k account, because last time it was split, time before that it was double stolen, so we'll see. But yeah, make sure you're there, boys, for 1 PM where the Discord is the giveaway is gonna take place in the Discord 1 PM. Make sure you're in there. And yeah, that is pretty much me, to be fair. As I said, I'll be active in the Discord and stuff. But right now there's just not much to be looking at. Not much to be looking at. But anyway, yeah, I'll see some using the Discord. I might even be jumping on the voice channel and just chatting for a bit, because I don't really have much else to do other than making this quiz today. So yeah, big up to you, man. Big up to you, man, and I'll catch you boys at 1 PM. Make sure you're there for 1 PM. I'm lagging as well, so make sure you're there for 1 PM, boys. All right, on the screen, so you can't miss it, even if I am. All right, even if I'm lagging. Sweet, boys. I'll catch you in the next one.